Hi guys, so I wanted to share with you an item that I most definitely use every day. I've gotten so much use out of it ever since I had my son, and I actually am pregnant again, so I ordered another one because my son is only 18 months, so they'll only be about 22 months apart, so I figured I'd need another one. So obviously if I ordered the same bag, I really like it. So this is the most perfect diaper bag. It is inexpensive. And it has so many compartments and so much room. So it's Bamomby. That's the product. I'm sorry, that's the brand name that makes it. Excuse me. My cat's very curious about this. So it comes with a diaper changing pad, which I didn't realize when I first ordered it, and I was like, oh, that's perfect, because I actually had like ordered other changing pads, and I was like, oh, I didn't even need to do that because this came with everything already. So this is the changing pad. I went with gray just because it was like a neutral color, but they had other colors available as well. So I'm just gonna take some stuff out just so you guys could see how much room is in here. I carry your typical stuff like clothing, you know, extra change of clothes, extra shoes, sunscreen, thermal water in case it's hot out to spray him down with. Okay, so this is one of the compartments. So in this compartment, there's plenty of room, as you could see. On the bottom here, I have extra diaper, some pouches, Tylenol, and then if you lift it up, you could see there's some more compartments here. And here I think I put A&D lotion and just regular lotion and boogie wipes. Then there's two compartments on the side. This one I had sunscreen in. This one is empty, but you could fit like anything in there, like a water bottle, another sunscreen, lotion, whatever you like. Then we have this zipper compartment. I put hand wipes in here. I go crazy cleaning his hands, just if he's at the park and stuff like that. You know, kids with germs, you want to be careful. So I have like 3 things of hand wipes in there, but you could also put baby wipes in there, whatever you want to fit. But you could just see how deep it is. It's a ton of stuff, so it's perfect. Then I'm going to take, you know, I think it's like pretty simple looking, but it's also kind of cute. So I just want to show you guys the front. Okay, so this is the big flap. Lift this open, and there's diapers in here, but then there's also room for more. So here I have some diapers inside and swimmy diapers, so you could fit plenty of diapers in here. Snaps, has 2 snaps. Then this part right here, I'm going to show you, it fits 3 bottles, and my favorite part is it is insulated. So it keeps those bottles nice and cold. So you're going to go out for a day, you need to bring milk for the baby, you're worried about you know, say it's a hot day, you're worried about the milk staying cold. Nope, you don't have to worry with this. And just put an ice pack, throw an ice pack in there. They'll stay nice and cold. Then the front has another, oh, here's the brand name, you guys can see, Bamomby. Never heard of them before, and I saw this bag and I was like, let me try it out, and it was better than I thought. For the price, like, oh my goodness, it's amazing. So plenty of room. I guess I have this empty right now. Usually I just fill this with like snacks, you know how it is with kids. You want to make sure you have plenty of snacks on you. So this pocket, extra mask just in case you need one. Instant hand sanitizer wipes. You guys see I'm crazy with the hand wipes. Zarbee's chest rub, just to show you guys all the possibilities of what you should put in your diaper bag. Or just to have on, you know, you don't need all this stuff, but just to have handy. And I have a nasal spray. I'm also, I just want to mention, I don't always carry all this stuff with me. I'm not that crazy, but we are going on vacation in a week. So I figured, you know, let me just make sure I have everything ready to go in the diaper bag. God forbid, like he gets a stuffy nose or something. And then I love this part. This part I usually put extra change of clothes in case you're out and the baby pees through the clothes, or you take the baby in the pool and you need to change them after. A funny story, actually, my aunt and uncle were babysitting my son for me, and they were like, there's no clothes in the backpack. And I was like, yes, there is. What are you talking about? They're like, we looked all over the backpack. I'm like, you guys didn't see the back compartment? They're like, oh my God, it looks secret. They didn't realize that this was there. So there's literally so much room in this backpack. That's why I just kind of wanted to show you guys, like, not that you need to see everything I carry with me, but just to give you an idea of how much you can carry with you, because there's so much room in here. Hand sanitizer. There we go with the hand sanitizer again. Sunglasses. I'm not sure what the zipper's for, but it's there. And then the backpack is adjustable. And I also wanted to go with like a unisex color, because I wasn't going to go with like, well, I have a boy anyway, but I wasn't going to go with like a pink, because my husband uses the backpack sometimes, and, you know, he likes neutral colors. So, you know, he was like, let's go with like the black or the gray. So I ordered this, super happy with it. It doesn't feel like that heavy on your shoulders. It feels light. It's easy to wipe clean. Honestly, I just can't say enough good things about this backpack. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a like or a comment. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.